When we go out, there's no obligations, there's no time. We just become connected with our surroundings. It's funny, when I'm on the road with Blue, people forget that I'm talking about a bike and they think I'm talking about a person. So I bought Blue 2 years ago, and since then her and I have been inseparable. I didn't think I would be able to bond with something so aggressively. So Blue is a 1993 Harley FXR, and I bought her off the original owner, John, in Evergreen, Colorado. Long gray hair, gray beard, classic Harley guy. And you could see little tears in his eyes, you know, when he knew he was about to sell her, but he looked at me and he's like, you know what? I'm glad this is going to you, because I think you two are gonna have a lot of fun together. Yeah, I know, I started like crying. I was like, oh my God. We loaded her up and, you know, gave a hug, and he said, off you go. We became married at that moment, and it's been a partnership that is undying. When she's down, I fix her. When I'm down, she fixes me. I could tell John was really connected to this bike, but from one Harley rider to another, we know that there's a connection and a soul there, and that it'll be continued on, and I'm proud to carry his legacy on this bike. Blue is wise and sassy. She keeps me level-headed, but occasionally likes to piss me off. And that's what I love about her. The bond is like being in love. You're so intimate with each other, you know every inch of each other, and you each have a heart and soul, and that connects. When you find that bike that's yours, there it is.